Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a small flower like circle and it is titled as Primula circle. So let's go into the video and learn how to make this, friends. Chain 6, slip stitch to the first chain and join. Chain 1, chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and in the ring place 12 single crochets. And before I proceed, let me place my stitch marker in my first single crochet, because we should not get confused with chain 1 and the single crochet. So place 12 single crochets in the ring and get back. I shall also place and get back. I have completed 12 single crochets. Now remove the stitch marker and in that stitch place slip stitch and join. Chain 1. Make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Now let us place stitch marker on the first single crochet that we have made, and in the next 11 single crochets place 2 single crochets in the back loop of each of the stitches. Two in each of them. So at the end of this round we should have 24 single crochets. Let us place 24 single crochets. I shall also complete and get back to you. I have placed 24 single crochets, and now slip stitch to the first single crochet, chain 1 and place a single crochet in the same stitch, chain 2, skip 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next, chain 2, skip 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next. This is the pattern. Repeat: chain 2, skip 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next. So we get this textured effect here. So continue all around. I shall complete and get back at the end of the round here. I have come to the end of this round here. Slip stitch to the first stitch we made and slip stitch to the chain space, and here chain 1 and make a single crochet in the chain space, 1 double crochet, two trebles, one double, and a single. So these are the stitches to be placed in each of the chain 2 spaces. So single, double, 2 treble, a double and a single, all in chain 2 space. So place these stitches, this set of stitches, in every single chain 2 space and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and cast off. So for slip stitching, just pull up the yarn a little to the height, take off the hook, insert the hook from back of the single crochet, that last single crochet, pick up and pull through. And here we go. Snip off the yarn and hide it behind the stitches. So here we have the Primula circle. This is titled as Primula circle, as I told you in the beginning. Hope you enjoyed this small beautiful pattern. This can be used for floral decoratives on your products, wearables, projects. Several such can be made and joined together, and this can be used in the free form crochet too. Okay, so thank you friends for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos to friends so that it reaches the maximum number of people. Thank you once again. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.